God damn, Jimmy. This some serious gourmet shit.
Yup, let's go. You got X's, I've got O's. See my show, I'm so whoa. Not your everyday average Joe. Yo, all you need to stop it. Let's get drunk now, that's the topic. Vodka or vodka, that's your option. Take those shots like you're pro at boxing. Got me thinking it's on now. Hold the choke of that bong down. Stumbling onto your lawn now. People say that I'm wrong now. Calm down, it's only your grass. So what I loaned you, it's only my ass. Don't even ask what I'm thinking. I've been drinking, pour me a glass. You ride big wheels, and we got trucks. You see us rolling up, yeah, we rolling up. We showed up now, and we go nuts. You see us blow it up, yeah, we blow it up. If you got cups, well then you're old enough. Go ahead and hold 'em up. Let's see you hold 'em up. If you don't like it, shut up, 'cause you don't know what's up. Go ahead and phone the cops. We'll say it's soda pop. Where's all my grown-up little kids? Start bouncing like you on Ritalin. I can serve you all, I'm so Wimbledon. No Malcolm, cut out the middleman. Don't hate with it, spring break with it. Do some dumb shit and say they did it. Do some drunk shit, show some skin. Nice to meet you, can I meet the twins? Yep, I'd like to win.